Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers again, and I've got everybody's favorite today. I've got a Chevrolet Roadtrek 210 Popular. This is a 2011 model. It's got the Chevrolet 6.0 in it, guys. This thing is in excellent condition inside and out. 89,450 miles, guys. Clean title. Everything works. The engine, the transmission is in excellent condition. Paint and body is in excellent condition. Clean title, guys. It's got great tires. Tires are practically brand new, actually. About 90% thread remaining. Plenty of storage all the way around. I don't know if you can hear this thing, guys. It sounds amazing. Ice cold air condition in the front. Ice cold air condition in the rear as well. It's got an Onan generator. Power windows, power door locks, power mirror, power seat as well, guys. Check this out. This interior is immaculate, guys. It's got an Eclipse head unit with a detachable TomTom GPS, ice cold air condition with tow package, with traction control. Let's see, 89,449 miles. Just passed inspection, guys. No check engine lights. This is fully self-contained, just like any other camper. Let me show you the passenger side. Again, power windows, power door locks. Check out this interior, guys. Excellent, excellent condition. And inside as well. The seats looks like it's never even been sat on. All your controls right here. Generator's only got 72 hours on it, guys. It's amazing. Got a power roof vent over here. Got a 2-burner stove. Stainless steel sink over here. Plenty of counter space. Plenty of storage space all the way around, top and bottom. This will extend into a little table right there. Plenty of headroom over here. Refrigerator, microwave, and a full bathroom, sink, lights, shower, all of that. The floor over here has drain spot as well, guys. Told you, fully self-contained with another power roof vent over here. Rear AC. This bench will fold down. This is your sleeping area with a dinette table as well. And there's the accessories for your dinette over there. Look at all this storage you've got all the way around, guys. Even got seat belts in the back. Plenty of storage in the rear as well. Double doors. Look at this, guys. Super, super clean. So if you guys are interested, my name is Chris with CGM Auto Brokers. I could be reached directly at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Yeah, so just give us a call, set up an appointment, guys. We also offer financing. We can help with that, and we do transport and delivery service as well, guys. So don't miss out. This is a very popular item. I know it won't last long. All right, so most importantly, if you guys like these videos, please like, please subscribe, share it with some friends and family, leave a comment. We'll answer all the questions, guys. But if you got anything out of this video, remember, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.